My name is Inga. I would like to share my experience about my journey with Vertex Study Solutions and my journey through my exams, the financial management and the UK tax exam. So it made a massive difference from failing to passing and having a full-time job and studying on my spare time online with a great tutor, Adomaviciute, walking through challenging exercises each day made a massive difference. These exams, as you know, are not easy to make them, but having a great tutor as Adomaviciute and cracking the challenging exercises every week and meeting the students from all around the world made my journey even more interesting and very successful working together. As I'm completed all ACCA 9 exams, I'm walking through my path to strategic level, studying together with Lilia, the Strategic Business Leader exam, and I'm really enjoying. So it's a professional tutor, great way to study. We have online lectures, we have pre-recorded lectures, we have a student support group, WhatsApp group. So it makes the journey more interesting and you can achieve whatever you want in your ACCA journey. So I really encourage to study together. So thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Inga, bye-bye.